The illusion of separation, which has hitherto collectively driven our dysfunctional behaviours, has resulted in numerous disadvantages to the well-being and opportunities of our children and young people. From being some of the most badly affected victims of conflicts and poverty, to limited access to education and teaching environments that emphasise imposition and uniformity, which limits rather than liberates them to lead lives of meaning and purpose. A whole worldview, though, based on unity in diversity, restores what it means to be human and empowers all of us and our children to restore our relationships with ourselves, each other, and the wider world. It fosters empathy, resilience, flourishing, co-creativity, and invites us to embrace universal ethics and evolutionary purpose. Based on an integration of scientifically based evidence with universal wisdom teachings and spiritual experiences and insights, it invites personal and collective transformation from the inside out. It calls for a radical and revolutionary transformation of education, both during childhood and as lifelong learning, which instead of imposing, calls forth and values the unique gifts and potential of every person, and as a holistic foundation for individual, collective, and planetary well-being.